Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. It is a new day. It is freaking cold out. It was the first day of fall yesterday. Coincidentally enough, I realized your girl ain't got no warm clothes. So that's where this video comes into play. Today I thought that we would do a strictly kind of thrifting fall clothing sort of video. I brought a pair of pants with me because I'm wearing a cute little jumper thing. I brought a pair of pants with me just in case like I need to try on knits. What I'm looking for, primarily knits, things that I can wear quickly with jeans. I've learned a lot about my style over the last while, and that is that I love quick and convenient things, and I don't really have a lot of that. I have a lot of, you know, dressy up kind of stuff. So the goal today is to find some cute fall outfits. Hopefully this works because I don't want to be cold. Let's do this. So the first thing I think I'm gonna do is start in the knits, because knits are something that I really want to get a lot of. I don't know how to do this. I'm not good at fall. I'm not good at dressing in the fall, so this is just gonna be an experience. So the first thing that jumped out to me was this. I really like the color of it. It has a hood on it, and the sleeves are really cute. It has this like little drawstring here. I don't know how I feel about the hood. Not a big fan of that. Might pass. But over here, I saw this orange. It's kind of a weird length. It's really long, and I feel like with my high-waisted pants it wouldn't really work well, so I'm gonna pass on that. But let's take a look through these knits. Found this crochet one. It has little wooden kind of drawstrings, but what I really liked about it is that it has right on the arms kind of like a cinching, and then it's a bell sleeve that is like open. So I'm gonna give this one a go because I really like it, and it's $5.99. I am drawn towards color, like I really like the nudes, but I am also trying to get like some oranges, some brown sweaters. I'm trying to not just buy nude and white. That being said, I am looking at other colors. I don't want to have white. So I'm trying to look at everything, but I am drawn to texture as well. I saw the texture on, looks like it's like checkerboard, so maybe no. Look at this color, this is nice. Nice, let's hope for the good for the front. Just looks like that on the front. It's nothing special, but it is a Wilfred, which is like a very expensive brand here. But it's not, like it's nice, but it's not what I want. I want some things to be a little bit more intricate. This is kind of 70s. I feel like I should maybe try it on. It might look kind of cute on. Okay, I might put them back. For the record, I just want to state that even though this is kind of in my color palette, you see the warmth difference between these two? That is kind of major for me. This is too cool toned, and I probably won't pick it up because it won't look good with my hair. But this one I found, it has this chunky kind of sweater thing or turtleneck thing around it, so let's put this one in the cart. Ever since last winter I've been wanting a brown turtleneck, and I really kind of like this one, how it's not like, you know, that prominent turtleneck. I'm gonna give this a try on. It looks kind of cute. Look how neat the neckline is on this. I probably wouldn't wear it honestly because it's like a collar, but I just thought that was really cool. Spotted some like tasseling, so it is this like giant tassel-y blanket thing. We're gonna try that on. What else? Ooh, okay, what is this? What is this behind the sweater? Crochet. I don't know how I would wear it, but maybe. Here's the arm. I have so many light tops. We need to look for a little bit of color for fall. This looks promising. Is it though? Is it? Oh. It's like a little cardigan thing. Okay, so next up I want to look at boots and coats. These are cute, but they are gray, and I'd like a pair of like something like this, but white, but they're kind of cute. I found a couple coats. First one is too small, really too small, but look how cute this pattern is. That's what drove me to it. Too bad, it's such a cute pattern, but realistically, look at the arms. That's like gonna be impossible. Coat number 2 is too big. It's really cozy and I like the idea of it, but around this area it's like massive, as you can tell kind of by the arms. Looks like I'm wearing a giant house coat. Here's jacket number 3. I wish it had like a tie waist. It doesn't. It would have made it way cuter, but otherwise it doesn't really do anything for me. Not like the biggest fan of it by any means. I'm taking a walk down dresses, but I don't really think that I need any. I have a lot of dresses, so I'm just gonna take a quick look-see, and if I don't have any colors or anything that catch my eye, then I'm not gonna really bother today. You guys see these like bamboo baskets? I have been looking for more of these for months upon months, and what are the chances that I literally just found 2 of them? One's not in as good a shape, but can't complain. Just so you guys know, during like Halloween and fall and stuff, they take a lot of the items and put it in like these thrifty costume areas where you can like, helps you make your own costume ideas, and they usually have a lot of really cool things in here, like 70s kind of items, so you should definitely look through here. Alright, let's head to the change room and try on this stuff. So here's this sweater. I really like it because it's turtlenecky without being like suffocating, and I've learned that I really don't like turtlenecks like that. I really like this, and I definitely think I'm gonna get it. And I think it'll be a nice little staple for fall. It's nothing special. Definitely am not gonna get it, but it's cute. So here is that shirt with the open slit arms. I think it might be a little bit too small for me, but maybe it also just needs to be like stretched out. I think it's kind of a cute shirt. If I don't keep it, I might sell it in the store, but I think it looks cute. It's just a little bit different than your regular white shirts. Here is this sweater, if you guys remember it. It's the itchiest thing on planet Earth. Honestly, it fits cute and stuff, but like, there's no way I'm wearing this on a day-to-day basis. It is itchy. Here's this cardigan thing. Honestly, it's not doing nothing for me. I see something really great. This color. This sweater. This is so cute. Oh my goodness. So I've come to the conclusion that when you're trying to film a thrift with me for fall outfits and you don't really know how to dress for the fall, it's hard. Yeah, and I'm a bit picky, and there seems to be not much. I don't want to say that this video is a fail, but I think it's gonna just take some time and a lot of different thrifting and a lot of different thrift stores.